Hi. Okay, so I'm hoping now that you are logged into our Prezi account. You'll know that you are because it'll say Mrs. Godshall over here in the corner if you're logged into our account. You're going to go to New Prezi. And first thing you need to do is you and your partner need to agree upon a template to use for your presentation. You can choose anyone that you like here at all, and you don't need to keep things in it. Like, you can delete anything in it, and you can add things to it, so don't feel like you're locked into what they are sharing on here. You have the freedom to make it your own. So I'm going to find this one. This looks kind of techy. I'm going to select Use This Template. Title of my presentation, I'm going to call it my name. So I'm going to call it Mrs. Godshall's Computer Class Tutorial. Please call yours, your name and your partner's names, Computer Class Tutorial. And then who can see it? Let's say right now anyone on the web, and hit continue. This is loading. This is creating our presentation. It's going to have your name in it. It's going to save it as the title, and it's going to get all ready for you to input your information. Awesome. Okay, so over here, this is called your path. And this is the way that your presentation is going to go once you are finished. And as you can see, this one has sub parts. So there were different parts underneath it, 2 and 3. I'm going to go back. Like I said, anything in here is able to be deleted, added. So I'm going to copy this title, and I'm going to add that to my title here. Godshall's Computer Class Tutorial. I think I'm going to make this a little smaller. So as you can see up here, here's your menu. I'm going to decrease the font size to a spot where I like it. And there we go. I am going to just delete this by hitting delete on the keyboard. And what I'm going to do is I am going to delete things I don't need. I can add in my own titles over here. So if we look, was 3 things that look like a computer but actually don't look like a computer but actually are. So I'm going to call this, parts. What is a computer? I can, always resize it, move it. I could change the font, the background color, the font color here, the way it's aligned. And then I want to actually go inside there to answer my question. I'm just going to delete all these things, clicking the keyboard. I don't want this in here. Oops. Oops, went a little bit too far. And then in here, I can edit it. So I can then put in my answer for what looks like a computer. So I'm a little trouble typing here. Also, there we go. Some things that don't look like a computer but actually are include, and then I would list them here. I would want to write, what is a computer? Write your title or topic there and then answer it below. To add a picture or something, you would just go Insert Image, and then you would have already had to save an image that you would want to put into your presentation. You can also insert shapes, arrows and lines, and icons. Those all can be added too. I can delete anything that I don't want in my presentation, or I can add things. So say, actually, we have a lot of things we're going to cover here. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to do copy. And I'm just going to right click and paste. Let me hit Command C and Command V. There we go on my keyboard, and that's going to add more things there. I can extend this line over I might actually need to, rearrange some of this. But basically, you want to make sure that you have one bubble for each of the parts that you have in your thing. So I could do, several different questions in one bubble if they fit together well, or if I wanted to do different bubbles for that, I could do that as well. So I hope that gets you started in getting your Prezi set up and working. You can also, if you don't need something, you can right click and you could hit delete or copy here as well. When you're ready to present, you want to hit the present button, and then you use your arrows to go through the presentation. That'll get you started. Good luck and have fun.